at Roosevelt Island Tramway. We're gonna take it to go to Roosevelt Island. I heard it has a very nice view. So we're gonna see. And the tramway looks like the entrance. And I'm at 60th Street and 2nd Avenue. Alright, so it looks like there's an elevator. I found out too you can't use your tap and go, so I left my card at home, my Metro card, so now I gotta buy another Metro card. Damn, but I guess it's only $1, so it's okay. This is what it looked like, a single ride card for $3, so oh well. So from there you can see the Queensboro Bridge. This is where you take the ride. Okay. We go. You can see Queensboro Bridge from above. What a way to travel. Who can beat that for a single ride ticket, right? to Roosevelt Island. If you are new to this channel, this is Janet, and I do all kinds of things. Basically, a lot of variety on this channel. It could be about travel, about food, my daily life like gardening, my cat, or my daughter's cat, whatever happens, okay? And it happens in this channel. Anyhow, so hopefully you like and subscribe and enjoy this channel. So one thing I learned is your tap and go credit card doesn't work with a tram. You're gonna need to get a Metro Pass. So instead of buying a Metro Pass, I figure I'll just get a single ride, which is $3, so that I don't have to pay for a card. So I'm saying I'm gonna ride this again going back. I think I'm gonna use the Metro. And I heard these buses here, like these people take, is free. Obviously it's free. Yep, I'm northbound apparently. Alright, let's see. And then I'm gonna walk back. I hope it's not too long of a walk. I think it says this island is only 2 miles long. If it's even true. 3? Oh, somebody heard me. It's 3. Sorry. That's okay. That means I'm gonna have to walk 3 miles today. It's okay. It's pretty. Walk to the northern part because I heard there's a lighthouse there, so that's where I'm gonna go. Meanwhile, enjoy you. It's pretty here. It's a very different vibe from Manhattan. I'm not sure if these are cherry blossom tree, but of course it's not blooming anymore because it's summer. I think I read that they have a lot of cherry blossom lining the river area, so this might be it. And that's behind me. I'm not sure what bridge that is. I guess we'll find out later. Thank God for the wind because I'm a hot mama. And the river is flowing pretty fast. You can see it. It's moving pretty fast. And Costco's over there. And I think that's the Brooklyn. That's Brooklyn on the other side. Yeah, flowing pretty fast. And this, I think, is I'm at Octagon Dog Run, apparently it's called. So we make it almost to the tip. This is Lighthouse Park. We shall see. Beautiful skyline over there. Oh, I see the little lighthouse right here. Y'all see it? Here are some of that's the lighthouse. I'm not sure what are all those buildings, but that's Brooklyn somewhere there, all of that along there. And this side is the Manhattan side here. Yeah, that's the Manhattan skyline. Nellie Bly successfully duped people into believing that she was insane. Doctors of Bellevue Hospital sent her to Blackwell Island for treatment and confinement. And during her 10-day stay in the asylum, Bly witnessed horrifying condition of neglect and abuse of patients, and some of which are mentally ill. Bly became a journalist as she exposed the abuses on Blackwell Island. It was one of New York's most extraordinary sensation of that time. She apparently is a reporter in America. So here at the tip where the lighthouse is, this is the Manhattan side. It looks like that's Yorkville. I'm looking at the map. Looks like that's Yorkville area of Manhattan Island. Alright, so I'm gonna try to walk here at the edge here and see. Yeah, it certainly the breeze has a certain smell. I'm not sure what it is. It may be just from the river. You know, both sides are this is both East River, so the island is in East River, basically. Alright, looks like there's a bus that runs here through Manhattan. Q102. And that's the Octagon. Nice architecture. 888 Octagon. So I just got off of Main Street in Chapel, and now I'm gonna walk towards the Blackwell Mansion. So hopefully it's still open. It's kind of late. We shall see. The island is only 2 miles long and a width of 0.15 miles. Therefore, total area of only 0.23 square miles. So it's a tiny little island. It's very windy, which is a good thing for me. I am just so freaking hot and drenched with sweat. So this is a good thing. Oh my God. Keep blowing. Come on. Don't stop. Oh wow. That's Manhattan. The Blackwell House is a historic house, and this was built by Jacob Blackwell in 1796. He was the grandson of Robert Blackwell, who owned the island in 1686. New York City actually purchased the island from the Blackwells in 1823 to build Tucson for the most populous city in the country. Of course, the Blackwell's house then became a living quarters for warden, hospital personnel, and the penitentiary personnel. So right now it's just a little museum. You know, you can go in there and cool off. See the tram there going up. And then of course that's Queensboro Bridge. Alright, so we're gonna try to walk the boardwalk a little bit. Going to the smallpox hospital. Let's see how long this would take. If not, I'll just go around and take the bus. Okay, we just got off the red bus and now we are here. Again, close to the, we're going to the smallpox hospital. I don't think there's a lot left of it, but meanwhile we are gonna look at some Manhattan skyline. Pretty. And over there is the Queensboro Bridge again, where I rode the tram earlier. It seems close, but it is far. Freaking far. Okay. Let's see here. This must be the entrance. Tell y'all, I don't even know what I'll do without Google Map. Okay, so this is For Freedom Park. Huh. Okay. Well, I guess the hospital must be in here. Look at the geese. She brought me some bread, Amy. They're all scavenging for something. The smallpox Memorial Hospital. Of course, they're scoffing again. I'm famous for that. Is they trying to restore it? The smallpox hospital was designed by James Renwick Jr., an architect, and it served as a hospital for the devastating pandemic during that time, and also as a nursing school for the frontliners. That's where I'm gonna go after this. Right there that says Pepsi Cola. That's the Gatsby State Park, but I can't go from here. If I could just jump in the water and swim over, huh? Nope, that doesn't work like that. So I gotta go take the F train. This concludes our little tour of Roosevelt Island in New York City. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And of course, comment where you are watching my video from. What country, what city, and what kind of content do you like me to include in this channel. And until next time, bye!